Top 5 freelance skills that pay $1,000 plus per month. Hey everyone, welcome back to Netcash Secret, the channel where we show you smart and proven ways to make money online using just your skills and your phone. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 freelance skills that can pay you over $1,000 every single month, even if you're a beginner. Stick around till the end to find out which one fits you best. Skill number 1, video editing. Video is blowing up online, and thousands of creators need editors. You can start with CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Rush. By focusing on short-form content like TikTok and Reels, you can charge $300 to $800 per project or secure monthly retainers. Skill number 2, graphic design. Every business needs branding and visuals, logos, flyers, social media posts, and more. You can start with Canva and scale to tools like Photoshop. With just a few steady clients, earning $1,000 plus per month is absolutely possible. Skill number 3, copywriting. Copywriting is writing words that sell. Ads, landing pages, emails, product descriptions. Beginners can charge $50 to $200 per page and grow quickly with a strong portfolio. If you can write persuasively, this skill will pay you well. Skill number 4, social media management. Brands need help managing content and growing online. If you can create posts, reply to comments, and track results, you're valuable. With 2 or 3 clients paying $300 to $600 monthly, you're already above $1,000. Skill number 5, web design. Websites are a must for every business. Learn WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, and build clean, professional sites. Even beginner-level website projects often start from $500 to $1,500. And that's it. Those are the top 5 freelance skills that can help you make $1,000 or more every month. Comment below, which skill are you going to start learning? If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips right here on Netcash Secret. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.